Hi guys, welcome to my channel Vortex VSD. This match is going to be held between two teams, Central Districts as well as Auckland Hearts. Central Districts and Auckland Hearts are two strong teams. Central Districts lineups here you can see. You can take the screenshot if you want. I got this from official Twitter account. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to just tell the important tips for Grand League as well as risk-taking small league players. This is the home ground for Central District women. Now I'm going to explain according to the Dream 11. In bowling section, G Atkinson is not important logically as well as practically, because logically these four you can see in this picture, these four are going to bowl 10 overs, so 40 overs will be completed and remaining overs will be shared between the remaining women. And also practically she is not in good form, so you can remove her from your team. Yemrees learned recently out swinging ball. Her captain said she is bowling very well. Auckland Hearts are defending champions. Their star players A. Kelly and Haddiston has injured. Now these players are most important. Now you can see here B. Armstrong, J. Barnett, F. Jonas, R. McNeil are important. F. Jonas is most important because she bowls very good swing bowling. She always she is more important in her team. She bowls in the death, so she will be most important. Now coming to R. McNeil. Now again these four are the bowlers who bowl 10 overs each, and remaining bowlers will be shared their overs. And R. McNeil is in very bad form, so you must take in small league. If you want, you can replace it with S. Bowden. S. Bowden is important because when these two teams played against each other in 2018 and 2019, S. Bowden took 2 wickets as well as 4 wickets. Now coming to batting section, S. Shastri is in bad form. She doesn't have any good regard against Central Districts. You can replace her with K. Tomlinson. So because this is a home ground for Central District, K. Tomlinson can get some advantage. And you can see J. Prasad in all-rounder section. She can maximally take 1 wicket or no wicket. If she takes bunch of wickets. Now coming to Natalia Dot. She is called as run machine, just like our Virat Kohli. In women's like Sophie Devine, Natalie Dot is run machine in New Zealand country, women's. She must be tried captain in 2 or 3 GAN leagues. So this is my team. N. Dot, R. Lilly, A. Van Deventer. A. Van Deventer is their captain, present captain of Central Districts, and this is their ground, so it will be advantage to them. K. Tomlinson, as I already told, I preferred over S. Shastri. K. Tomlinson I preferred. B. Armstrong, she bowls 10 overs. She bowls spin as well also bats in 1 down or 2 down. In the absence of the star batsman L. Down, Auckland women, L. Down is absence, so B. Armstrong can be promoted. H. Row, J. Watkin. H. Row is the most important in this match because when these two teams played against each other, H. Row minimally got 2 wickets, so it is very important to take her, and also she bats at 4th down, so it will be most important in this ODI. I took J. Barnett and F. Jonas in place of B. McNeil. I told B. McNeil is in very bad form, so I took J. Barnett as well as F. Jonas. I also took M. Hansen and Emrys. I also said the reason behind this because Atkinson will not get required over, so she cannot take wickets. Logically, it is impossible. If she is lucky, she will get wickets, 2 or 3 wickets, but it's not possible. So I'm taking M. Hansen and Emrys. So this will be my final team. Thank you. Okay.